Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas and it's actually late at night now. We had such a full day. I mean, we've been going all month getting ready for Christmas. We've been shopping, decorating, getting our house ready because we have everybody over. And so it's been, it's wonderful. It is so wonderful. So everybody had the best time today. I mean, I'm happy. I think everybody seemed really happy. So everybody loved their presents and my stepdaughters came over. And so actually I figured today I would share what I got for Christmas 2023 and just hop on and just share what I got and just to come and spend time with you beauties as well, because you guys just make me so happy. Let's put it that way. And so I wanted to come spend time with you beauties too as well, because that's just selfishly makes me so happy. I love spending time with you beauties. And so also let's just have a quick giveaway. I'm going to insert it right now. I did put it together already, so here it is. So beauties, this is just some of what you'll be receiving in today's giveaway. There's tons of color pop lippies. This beautiful, where is it? There's a beautiful Too Faced Pop the Cork palette, Too Faced mascara, Elizabeth Arden skincare, more skincare, all these beautiful lips, Morphe, all kinds of good stuff. So nails, there'll be definitely more in here too though, surprises. So just go ahead and let me know if you'd like to take part, and let me know what you think of, I'm trying to put it all in the picture of today's giveaway. That's just some really nice festive makeup that I figured would be the perfect time to share. So if you would like to take part in today's giveaway, just be a subscriber and also give me a thumbs up and comment #GlamFam down below so that I know you want to take part, because believe me, sometimes people win and then they're like, oh, I actually don't want, because they have a lot of makeup already. I think that's what it is. That's what they say, that's what they say. I believe them. I believe it. I'm not saying I don't believe them. But, so sometimes that's why it's, it's good to say Glam Fam. So I know that, yes, you'd like to win. So anyway, dolls, let me dive into what I got for Christmas 2023. And so let's get started. First of all, this beautiful top that I got. This is actually a bodysuit from Express. And so my husband, he was like, go ahead and pick yourself out what you'd like. So I picked out this and it was on sale, you guys. They were having a huge sale at Express. So I got this bodysuit, which I love. I got like 5 bodysuits and these leather pants that I love. Actually, I'm just going to show you. I was like, sometimes you're like, oh, I got to do the most, but let me just, I was going to insert a picture. No, let me just show you right now. These are amazing because these are 90s fit. So they're super high-waisted. They are straight leg. And so I got to tell you guys, they feel amazing. They feel so good on. I'm not even joking. They feel incredible. I got a size 6. They fit perfect. I had purchased 2 other pairs of faux leather pants recently. And one of them, the Hudson ones, they're so nice. I've been wearing them I was wearing them all the time till I got these, because I just like the look. Plus they're so warm. A lot of these faux leather pants have a fleece lining. You are going to be so warm. It's crazy because it was freezing here. I'm in New York. And upstate New York, and Upper Westchester, and you guys, it's freezing. Also, I live on the water, so it's very cold. But you guys, I haven't been cold at all. I can't believe it. And I'm putting it down to these leggings because these pants, whether it's this pair that I wore today, because they're all lined with, normally I think what it is in the past, I was buying faux leather leggings. But if you buy like the faux leather pants, the jeans, I would imagine I've bought 3 pairs now this week. This week, I'm going crazy for them. And they all came with a very soft, feeling like fleece lining. So I think that's what it is. And they are so warm. And also you feel very stylish in them. So even I was putting these on with Uggs, and it's such a cute look, and you feel good, because sometimes when it's cold and dry about and you don't feel good, and you put on these leather pants and you feel totally uplifted and you feel like $1,000,000. And then the Ugg boots, it's such a cute look. because it's kind of unexpected. It's like casual and what you would normally consider dressy, but once you kind of wear the Ugg boots with them, it becomes like not dressy. It's like a great everyday look. So I'm very happy about that, because before I would have thought that, oh, I have to be dressed up to wear faux leather pants, or leather pants, but no, you don't. Pairing them with the Uggs, you feel casual, you feel comfy. They're almost like leggings, but except they're super warm and, you know, more stylish. So I actually, where was I, guys? I had the Hudson pair first, which I really didn't like that much when I first put them on. They sit lower on the waist. They're not high-waisted, but they did have a very nice slit in them. And they look very cute with the boots, with the Ugg boots, because they, you know, they just did, you know, they were short, and then they split hem, so, you know, it kind of looked cute over the boots. But now that I got this pair from Express, you guys, OMG, these feel incredible. I gotta find out what more things on the Express website they have this 90s fit, because it's incredible. It's made for me, because I must have, you know, I have big hips, I guess. I don't know, but the 90s fit is, for me, is where it's at. So low waist, I hate. It cuts into my stomach, very uncomfortable, but, you know, I guess if you have a curvier figure, you're not gonna, low waist is kind of hard to wear, because are you guys like me? But it cuts into my stomach. So these, needless to say, guys, these jeans are a dream. Hopefully they're still on sale. I'll have them linked down below, because these were half price. I think I got these for $40, and I actually should go get another pair, because I love them that much. I feel so good in them, because normally I feel like things are hurting and digging in and popping out, but here I feel everything is, you know, snatched and in place and not going anywhere. So I also got this bodysuit at the sale. Oh, I love this. Fits like a dream. And then I got a bunch of other just everyday essentials bodysuits, you know, because I personally love to wear bodysuits day and night. So anyway, beauties, let me go ahead and show you another thing that I got for Christmas. I got this Apple Watch. This is the, I believe, Series 9, the newest one, Series 9. And I'm so happy, because I had the first Apple Watch that ever came out, Series 1, I guess. And so, you know, they've made a lot of upgrades since then, let's put it that way. And this one, the one that I got, has a larger face. So it's very easy for me to see and to press the buttons, because before I was pressing the buttons, is this upside down? No, okay. And it wasn't responsive, maybe because it was old, I guess. Or I put it down to that it was small, so I would touch it and it wouldn't really respond. Also, this one reads your heart rate so much better, and it just has different apps and stuff that would not work with the Series 1. So I'm so happy, you guys. I gotta tell you, you know, if you want to be healthy, or if you're on a weight loss journey or a health journey, the Apple Watch is amazing. What you do is, I mean, I feel like I'm losing so much weight. What you do is you put it on the exercise that you're going to do. So I'll put it on, say, my elliptical. Now you look at the heart rate, make sure you get your heart rate up, say, to 120 or higher. I stay like 120 to 130. But the point is, you get your heart rate up and you burn so many calories, and you just keep watching it and make sure you get your heart rate up. And if it starts to go down, like mine will go down to 110, and then I have to just tell myself, you know, pedal harder or something. And then I pedal harder, not even for a long time, maybe 20 seconds, and it will go up again. You keep doing that, you lose so much weight and you feel incredible, and it's very healthy for your body, you know, to get your heart rate up. So I love this. I'm so excited. I just got it like 2 days ago, so I have been using it already. It's inspiring me to work out more, and I got a new app today that I'm very excited. It's supposedly going to train you somehow through the watch. I don't know, I haven't used it yet, but I'll get back to you and let you know, how it works out. But also, guys, I picked this up for myself. I did get gifts from other people. This was for my husband. I told you, right? This was for my husband. The pants were for my husband. This is for my husband. I got this Naked Wardrobe faux leather bodysuit, one shoulder. I love Naked Wardrobe, so I can't wait to try that on. And I haven't tried it on yet, so I'll try that on and get back to you. And then let me see here. I'll just try to really quickly show you. I actually put together some other stuff that I was going to show you, my luxury purchases of 2023, but I'll do that in another video. So but let me put everything aside. So anyway, guys, here is a beautiful sweater that my sister-in-law got me for Christmas. And look at how gorgeous. She always loves to buy me purple because she knows that's my birthstone. Isn't that so thoughtful? I never think of that. I mean, that was very thoughtful. I feel bad in a way because we always get her a gift card. I want to get her a lot of things. I know she wanted the BK Beauty brushes, but I didn't get them in time. I'm so bad, guys. I'm such a bad sister-in-law. But I always get it. Like I said, I get her a gift card. But I know she likes to get her hair done, her nails done. She likes to go out to eat. She likes wine. So I feel like those are, if I give her a gift card, she could do those things because, you know, I don't know. I just feel like, but what do you guys think? Do you think next year I should get her a present? Because next year I'm going to be good and make sure I order the BK Beauty brushes in like a month before. I gotta start in the beginning of December. I never think of it till the last moment. That's the problem. And then they're just not going to get here in time for Christmas. But she got me this beautiful purple sweater, very soft turtleneck. She knows I love turtlenecks. I wear, you know, I love to wear turtlenecks day and night. Turtlenecks are my thing, you know. And let's see here, what is this doing here? Let's go. Oh, these are the, why did I bring these here? Oh, this is another pair of jeans, of leather pants that I got. My husband got these for me. These are Sink Accept, and so these actually are so long. I would have to wear these with very high heels, but they're buttery soft, so I'm excited to wear those. I think I'm going to wear those on my birthday when I go out with high like platforms on, or I guess maybe I'd have to get them tailored. They are so long, and I'm 5'8" almost. I'm 5'8" basically, and those are so long on me. So I'm going to, again, I'm probably gonna just wear them with very high heels. If not, if that doesn't work, I'll have to wear them, get them tailored. But I haven't, and they also did not fit me too good, to be honest, guys. I got a size 28. And oh no, I got a size 6 and they don't fit me. See, these ones from Express fit me perfect, and they're a size 6. So what is that, vanity sizing or what? That's why I love these Express ones. And those ones I'm like, and those ones were pricey. Those ones were expensive, more expensive than these. But anyway, beauties, look at these beautiful pajamas that my stepdaughter got for me. These are so soft. I couldn't believe it. She is so thoughtful and so sweet. And it comes with a matching top. She loves this color. She loves everything in this, these kind of neutral colors. And I mean, I would wear this out, but she said it's pajamas. So I'm like, oh my God, this is beautiful. So soft. So just, oh my goodness. It feels so warm. I haven't tried it on yet, but it feels like it's very warm material. And then she also got me these, you guys, because she knows I love to cook. I'm always in the kitchen. So she got me these beautiful towels for my kitchen, and she knows I have the black marble. So, and I also have gray backsplash of stone. So this is beautiful because it has this kind of gray and black. She's amazing. She's so there. The thing is that it's so thoughtful. I feel so loved. I'm not gonna lie. I feel so loved today. And then she got me this because again, for the kitchen, or I guess you could put this in the bathroom, but I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. And the black goes so beautifully with my black marble. And so again, just so thoughtful, so beautiful. She's just amazing because they know I'm always cooking and doing things in the house, like I said. And then not only that, but she got me more stuff, you guys. And I have 2 stepdaughters, so wait till I show you. The other one got me amazing things too. So then she got me this candle. This is one girl. Look at this, you guys. Beautiful. It has sparkles in it. It smells so good. Oh, it's the beautiful color, like this kind of neutral color that and it smells incredible. So I don't see the name on here, I would tell you guys, but it smells so good, so thoughtful. She knows I love candles, and she knows I love picture frames. So look at this, you beauties. She got me this beautiful picture frame. It's like seashells. Oh my God, beautiful. Of course, I'm going to put the picture in there. This is, you know, what came. So how thoughtful. Oh, look at the back is wood. It's amazing. I'm so blessed, you guys. It's unbelievable how much God has blessed me with these girls. And then look, my other stepdaughter, they could have just gave me one of those things and I would have been thrilled. I would have been over the moon. My other stepdaughter got me this because she knows I love the dogs. So, or maybe this, well, this is for me, but of course the dogs are gonna love it. This is a little cookie jar, and she also got me a matching candle with same color with the paw print, and beautiful. Again, no, they know I have the black kitchen, the black marble, so they got me. That's sure that's why she got me that. Can you believe it? They're amazing. They're just amazing. And then, oh no, things are flying, you guys. Okay, and then, oh, she got me these. I'm wearing them. Look at how cute, you guys. Aren't these beautiful? And they're so soft. They're Lauren Conrad. Oh my God, the bow, the color, and the style. They're very stylish, these girls. They're amazing. I don't know. They're just amazing. And that's pretty much it for, I feel like there was more, guys, but this my mother-in-law had got me a few years ago, guys. I don't know why. I brought this down because I was going to show you guys this, my perfume that I bought, but I was going to do a different video. So this is for another day. But now I'm thinking about, my mother-in-law had got me this for Christmas of just only a few years ago. And now she's not doing good, you guys. So please keep her in your prayers, because we went to go visit her tonight, and it was pretty, it was not good, It's pretty bad. It's really, guys, the worst day you're having is never, always be grateful, because your worst day is never going to be as bad as a lot of what other people are going through. It's just unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. I don't want to bring you guys down, but just always be, I realized, like, oh my gosh, all the times in my life that I was like mad about the stupidest things, and then here these people have real issues. That was nothing. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your time. Time is so precious. Don't waste it on silly things. I mean, silly things that make you upset or mad. Try to let it go if you can. I'm trying myself. Because, it's nothing compared to what other people, are going through. It's just, anyway, I don't want to bring you guys down, but you know what I'm saying. So anyway, guys, I also did pick this up for myself. My husband had told me to pick something to pick out my presents. So I got this beautiful little Charlotte Tilbury makeup brush set. And it's so great for travel. Beautiful velvet and gold and her logo. And it comes with these 3 beautiful travel size brushes. So I haven't used them really yet, but I can't wait. Actually there's 4. There are 2 eyeshadow brushes. These smudger brushes from Charlotte Tilbury are amazing for doing your under eye smudging. If you're like me, I could never get it right. But then I bought her smudger brush, and it's a game changer. It gives you that look like you've had your makeup done by the ultimate celebrity makeup artist. That's what her smudger brush will do for you, because it's, I feel like with celebrity makeup artists, it's the bottom lashes, this bottom area, they smudge it out, and the smudging is what makes it look so, the way they blend it is what gives you that really amazing look, like you have on the most expensive makeup, or you had your makeup done so amazing. It's the blending, and her brushes do the blending for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. I did get this ring from Angara. I actually bought this myself too. I bought myself a lot of stuff, right? And then my husband got me this ring. This is the Trinity ring from Cartier. So I'm so happy. And then of course, this is my ring that I got. A lot of people were asking me about this, but I got this Tiffany ring, but this was for my anniversary, you guys. Because some people were saying, oh, Tiffany's, but it was my anniversary. So, I've been married 20 years, guys. So my husband was like, I want to buy me a Tiffany ring. I was like, okay, thank you. That's great. when you've been married 20 years, your husband wants to buy you a Tiffany ring, you don't say no. So anyway, dolls, don't forget to enter for today's giveaway. And that's pretty much it. I know Kim was a winner, and Kim, I'm so sorry. Sometimes you guys win, and please email me, and I don't get back to you right away. Please email me my email. I'll write you again. Hopefully you see the comment with my email, so that way email me, because she was a gift card winner. And so definitely I will comment you or you comment me so I get your email so I can send you the gift card. So anyway, beauties, I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I wish you beauties the happiest of holidays and a happy new year. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you dolls very soon. Bye, I love you.